Hello and welcome to The Pulse. Well, a long weekend is upon us, and today we're devoting the whole of this show to this year's July 1st handover anniversary. With the Chief Executive and his government's popularity reaching new lows, the annual July 1st March is likely to be well attended. In part 2, we'll be discussing some of the reasons people might be joining the anti-government rally with the Civic Party's Audrey Yu and one of the organisers, Icarus Wong. But first, pro-Beijing groups are hoping to reduce the turnout on Monday. Their strategy seems to be, when the going gets tough, tempt the tough to go shopping.
本人就任中华人民共和国香港特别行政区行政长官。
梁振英下台！梁振英下台！梁振英下台！梁振英下台！
For the first time since the 1997 handover, approaching the July 1st anniversary, Chief Executive Leung Chun-ying this week released a report on the performance of himself and his government. Critics were quick to point out that not only had he marked the performance higher than the public, but also that the work report was an attempt to reduce the turnout for July 1st rally.
請支持，請大家支持7月1號，全港各區企業慶回歸嘅活動。今年呢，我哋希望能夠呢，使到呢個慶祝嘅活動呢，深入到社區，使到我哋呢就社區嘅朋友都能夠參與到呢啲活動啦。咁呢個就係我哋最大嘅一個想法。因此呢，呢啲慶祝嘅活動呢，就你睇翻一下呢，就係各式其式嘅，係冇任何針對性嘅。
Executive Councillor Zhang Yutong is also the chairman of the Hong Kong Celebrations Association, which has not only arranged celebration events, but also, with the help of the pro-Beijing Hong Kong Commerce and Industry Association, enlisted over 1,000 shops and restaurants to offer special discounts of up to 50% only between 2 to 5 p.m. on July 1st. There are even discounts on properties transactions.
不如搞個新意思，做一噱頭咁，不如就免佣啦。免佣咧呢個咧，我覺得比較吸引啲啦，係啦。免佣嘅意思就係買家免佣，即係嗰日，即係話7月1號嗰日咧，所有嘅買家入嚟我哋亞洲地產公司買樓咧，我哋係唔會收佢任何佣金嘅。7月1號咧，透過我哋嘅網站或者我哋 Apps 咧登記咗，就可以咧用7折購買我哋不同嘅餐廳嘅現金券。咁因為7月1號咧個係假期，我哋嘅 office hour 都冇開到嘅。咁我哋容許一個禮拜嘅時間，喺7月8號之前咧上嚟我哋嘅 office 或者登記我哋送現金券嘅地方去做個交收咯。
其實個市民有自己嘅選擇權，佢可以選擇遊行或者選擇去 shopping。咁其實呢個係 option 嚟嘅。咁我哋唔會話我做優惠就希望佢哋唔去遊行咁樣咯。
我哋響應呢個全港各區嗰個工商聯嗰個組織，就搞一個7·1回歸嘅活動。我哋嗰日咧個客入嚟就餐牌，我哋入邊任何嘢都係打對折。
However, the news media has pointed out some misleading or untruthful information among the discount offers. The prices being offered by some establishments aren't quite the bargains they might seem, even though those companies have signed contracts with the organizers to give discounts.
嗰個條款就係免責，即係唔好入我哋數，有咩事就係依照你自己鋪頭原來做生意嘅模式去打折，亦都唔好有賣假貨。希望佢哋憑良心去做事咁樣。
The Hong Kong Commerce and Industry Association says the aim of the discount is to help change July 1st from a protest day to a shopping day. Also clashing with the regular protest is a concert featuring popular local bands Mr. and Rock Band as well as Korean pop artists. The artists taking part have received much criticism from local music lovers. Thanks to sponsorship by property developers, the tickets are priced below $100. Meanwhile, some netizens say they have already worked out a protest route which will allow protesters to both march and get discounts along the route as they take part. Meanwhile, the organizer of the July 1st march say they do not think Hong Kong people are going to sell out their future for a minor discount, and the special offers merely show how worried Beijing loyalists are at the chief executive's low popularity.
呢啲小恩小惠咧，只係持續一日，甚至係幾個鐘頭。我哋亦都唔會因為呢一啲因為咧而去咧斷送香港嘅前程。咁所以我覺得對於參與7·1遊行嘅市民嚟講咧，其實可能會因為咁樣咧，而更加多嘅市民咧係被激發上街。
經歷過迷惘，人間的恩怨幾許已淡忘，只需看見有我在旁，為你一直護航。
我記憶中呢，我冇講過話，我冇僭建。
即係梁振英口問啦，明明呢個係白色嘅咁。呢個唔係黑色嚟㗎，咁樣，咁又冇點解要咁樣講啫？咁咪變咗好荒謬咯，成件事。梁振英做咩事啊？點解即係唔好成日佢係太多大話？我覺得梁振英去到咁嘅地步，冇辦法唔行出嚟。你話佢係騙子，佢係；你話佢係政棍，亦都係嘅。咁共產黨員。我唔知係咪，但係佢做出嚟嘅嘢係咯。其實如果冇個女嘅話咧，基本上我唔會考慮上街嘅。真係完全為咗個女先至會考慮上街呢一樣嘢。你會睇到好似一班罷工工人咁樣，佢哋為嘅其實都唔係為佢哋自己，都係為跟住落嚟做佢哋呢一個行業裏邊，係希望最重要一樣嘢係可以受到人哋去尊重，佢希望可以爭取翻佢哋自己應有嘅嘢。即係如果你話論我自己，我係好希望言論自由啊，或者係新聞有自由啊咁樣。我中意聽或者中意睇我要嘅嘢，我唔係話要人哋去塞俾我話，喂，你一定要喂中國係最好嘅、最偉大嘅咁樣，我就要聽。我自己都唔想，我做乜仲要俾個女去聽呢啲咁嘅嘢？起啦！起啦！
政制改革呢個大嘅議題，要喺社會上達至一致嘅共識咧，幾乎咧係冇可能嘅。
2012嘅政改並唔係起鬧，而係坊間有一個好好嘅一個改動，叫做超錯 all wrong。OK。
超渣咯！佢而家係不斷喺度叫推或者拖延啦，成日都話一定要即係搞好民生先。我成日覺得咁政制事務局而家係咪出緊糧嘅咧？其實即係咁，佢哋係咪搞緊民生嘅？其實做緊乜嘢嘅咧？因為依然好不滿嘅政府，咁嗰個就係好似一個代表住即係集結大家一齊都覺得個政府未夠好。你未必喺平時嘅遊行會出嚟，未必喺平時嘅示威啊、關心啊等等，但係好似嗰一日大家就約定咗去，當你都係一個同伴嘅話，一伙兒嘅話，嗰日就會出嚟。
都係普選啦，即係講到而家，即係唔好話有冇普選，而家連個諮詢都唔肯開始去展開，都仲話咩有大把時間有成咁，但係其實即係
真係得個講字咯。
即係梁振英上台，即係唔使講啦。即係即係我諗大家睇到，即係雖然佢自己即係講話自己嘅政績幾好啊，係嘛，唔會自滿添啊咁樣樣咯。咁我諗大家睇到就話佢唔得啦。同埋就係、我諗佢係咯，都係做咗好多嘢係令到人哋想唔上街。點解佢會咁驚呢？正正就係因為佢做得唔好啊嘛。所以我哋更加需要出嚟咧，話俾佢聽，其實你無論做幾多嘢都好咧，我哋都係唔會相信你，我哋都係要覺得只有係一個民選，即係普選產生嘅政府先至係即係適合我哋嘅政府咯。
呢個叫咩？咩組合？
搗蛋啊！
倒
咗嘅蛋，
倒去嘅巨蛋。
搗蛋音樂會。
搗蛋音樂會。
係啊。
我覺得唔緊要嘅，其實即係正頭先即係吉他手所講啦，係嘛？即係變咗好似更加清晰，我哋有個選擇。OK， 唔好成日都話出嚟嘅50萬，唔出嚟嘅650萬，咁你講晒啦，永遠都係唔喐嘅多㗎啦，或者各自嘅多㗎啦。而家就真係俾你揀啦。OK， 嗰邊愛港之聲又好似話喺尖沙咀係嘛？即係你哋咪睇下幾人去嗰邊，幾人嚟呢邊咯。我哋即管睇下咯。即係啲選擇更加令到大家知道，咦，我唔揀又俾佢屈㗎喎，可能又俾佢話去咗嗰邊喎。所以我覺得好事嚟㗎，有時好多時候佢哋搞啲咁嘅古怪嘢咧，其實係即係曲線支持緊啲人出嚟。
We'll be back after the break. Welcome back. Well, why might people be persuaded to go out in the sweltering heat on Monday and resist the blandishments of discounts on cakes, no-commission property transactions, and Canto and K-pop music shows? With us in the studio are the Civic Party's Audrey Yu and Icarus Wong from one of the rally organising groups, the Civil and Human Rights Front. I should add that we did ask some individuals who are more supportive of the government to come along, but unfortunately, no dice. Icarus Wong, can I start with you? I think one of the problems with the July 1st rally, regardless of how many people turn up, is that sometimes it's hard to actually understand what is the focus of the event because there's so many, differing demands.
Yeah. The main theme of the July 1st rally this year is to demand the immediate universal suffrage, and also we want to reclaim the governing power to the Hong Kong people. And of course, we want to express our dissatisfaction to our CE, CY Leung. We demand the CY Leung to step down.
Audrey, can I ask you a slightly different question, which is, it does seem now that polarisation, as exemplified by this march, is getting more intense in Hong Kong society?
Yeah, first of all, I think that actually it's a strength of the 1st of July march. It's a platform for, whatever views you have to express. Secondly, I think you're right in saying that this is the first time for 1st of July marches since 10 years ago, 2003, where you see the pro-establishment actually coming head-on as a clash. It's a sort of some kind of a competition, because in the past, they used to hold the celebrations in the morning so people can join the march in the afternoon. But this year you see there is a pop concert arranged, and also there are all sorts of discounts, even for property transactions and herbal medicines and so on, just to lure people away from the march. So I think actually you can see the direction. This year is all about incentives, but next year I think, really it's going to be even stronger tactics.
You're
maybe
talking about
oppressive.
Occupy Central, are you?
Well, no, I'm thinking of really, from the government side and also from the pro-establishment side. But this year it's incentives, soft luring away from the marches. But I'm sure, if it doesn't work, then next time round it's even going to be harsher, more oppressive tactics.
And Icarus Wong, can I ask you, some people are saying that in some ways this is a rehearsal for the Occupy Central movement, which will be kicking in next year. Is that a correct characterisation?
I think the Civil Human Rights Front that this year we try to do more. That we not only have a rally, but also have an assembly at the Central, at the Chater Road. And
this is at the end of the march?
Yeah, at the end of the march, and we will have an assembly, and we expect to end this assembly at about 10 p.m. of the day.
And it's lawful. It's been, police basically has given no objection.
Yeah, we informed the police and get the notification of the no objection. And we want to, through this assembly, to explain more about the ideas of Occupy Central. And we will invite the core members of the Occupy Central movement to come to the stage and explain their idea and seek for the support from the Hong Kong people. Because all we know that the next year is a very crucial period for the Hong Kong people to fight for the democracy, fight for the universal suffrage. So we want to, through this assembly, to send a very clear message to the Hong Kong government.
Audrey, you've been an active participant in politics for a long time. I mean, to what extent